Today is special because it's the first day of school. We are welcoming our boys and girls back from a long hot summer. We are welcoming them back with open arms, communicating high expectations, and just showing them what we expect of them from day one. We're excited to have them back. They have big smiles on their faces. We have big smiles on our faces. And of course, the parents have the biggest smiles of all. The first day of school sets the tone for the remainder of the school year.
So that's a procedure. We have procedures for everything. Okay, so in here we're going to have procedures.
Today is a special day. The first day of school is always greeted with excitement, sometimes butterflies, a little nervousness, but today is special for Rankin as we welcome our new All-Stars, but our old All-Stars back into our building. We've had a summer filled with renovations. Rankin is a special place where wonderful things happen every day for children, and it is satisfying to see a learning environment, hallways that are bright and cheerful to welcome our students and to essentially reflect what goes on inside of our classrooms every day.
I like the first day because you get to meet all your teachers. I mean, I know at open house you meet them and everything, but I mean, I think you really actually meet them on the first day.
Our goal on the first day is to have adults present kind of at every point along the building to help them. If we see anxiety, if we see a child that seems lost or doesn't know where to go or doesn't know what the next step, the most important thing for us, whether it is a cafeteria worker, a custodian, or a teacher, is just helping our students get where they need to go and just calming those nerves on the first, especially with the first day jitters.